Hello, I'm going to tell you how to make a foldable to study for your weathering quiz, which we will be having next class. You may use whatever you do today to study for your test and use it on your test. Okay, you're first going to take the piece of paper. You're going to fold it to make 16 squares like this. The way that I did this is I folded it in half, then folded it in half, again, and the last time. So that was a total of 4 times folded it in half. Okay, then you open it up. You're going to take the left side and fold it towards the center, then the right side and fold it towards the center. Use your pencil or other round object to flatten it out. Now you should have 8 squares on the front, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. On the left, you're going to put mechanical. On the right, you're going to put chemical. These are the 2 types of weathering that we talked about last week. When you're finished, your pamphlet should look like this. Okay, and then it can fold out and you can study. So there's 4 on the mechanical side: frost wedging, abrasion, pressure release, and other. On the other, we have salt weathering, heat expansion, and root wedging. If you need help with these, just go to Google Classroom, go back on your gizmo, and hit the drop-down box. It has them all listed. You may also go on to your Google Docs that you did last week that you sent to me, and I have resent them to you, so you may use them. On this side, you're going to put the chemical. Remember, chemical is when it changes what the rock is. So we have dissolving, clay formation, rusting, and lichen growth. Whenever a living organism is on something, it either is taking in nutrition, but then it also has to put out toxins or waste. So these are chemicals being released by these living organisms onto the rocks. All right, now that we're done with this, you're going to put in the inside cause and effect. What causes this? Frost wedging. So what happens is that you open it up. The cause of it is that water freezes in the crack on the rock, and then it, as you can see there, then it expands because of temperature, okay, because of a temperature change. Here's my picture of the rock that got a crack in it, and the ice went in there, or the water went in there and formed ice, and then it melted, then it expanded and froze, and then it melted. Okay? Then you go on to the next one. Abrasion. The abrasion that I put, there's 4 things that cause abrasion. Okay? So you can have wind, river that's moving fast, glaciers, or gravity. I chose to draw a picture of a rock falling down a hill because that seemed to be the easiest for me, and now I know that it's breaking into smaller pieces. So abrasion is something moving that's going to break the rock into smaller pieces. You continue with pressure release. Go on to the gizmos for weathering. Hit the little button, hit play, and it will show you that the rock, the granite, comes up, and then you draw the final picture. All right? Then on the other side, make sure you do the same thing. Again, these are all listed on your notes that you did last week with the class. They are also on Gizmos, and you should look at the PowerPoint that was just shown to you. All right? Bring this to class next time. Have it done. And then you may use it on your quiz. Have fun. See you soon.